Okay, so this is the left femur.
Take a picture. Okay.
Okay, at the top here, this is the head. Then going all around here is the neck. Okay, and so inside here of the head is the fovea for the ligaments of the head. Then you have the greater trochanter, the lesser trochanter.
My problem.
Then along the back of the femur, you have the linea aspera. So this would be the medial condyle, and then the lateral condyle. Oh yeah, I said that. This is the intercondylar fossa.
Okay. So that's the front
Front
and the back. Good job.